So I do have my 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree already in here, and this is the rest of my ingredients: cinnamon, ginger, ground cloves, salt, and sugar. So the only thing I need to add is water. So here's 1 cup and 1/4. I need something to stir. Turning on the stove. I'm just gonna put it on like medium low heat. You need 1 cup of sugar. So you're gonna need a teaspoon of cinnamon. A 1/4 of clove. And a 1/4 of ginger. That's about right. And the recipe also calls for nutmeg, but we don't have any, so we're gonna skip that. So once it starts to look like this consistency, like very syrupy, that's when you're gonna want to turn off the heat and let it cool. Okay, so the syrup is still a little warm. You can see that the syrup is starting to get a thicker consistency, and once it goes in the fridge, it will thicken up even more. So now I'm going to transfer this into a glass mason jar because it is warm. You don't want to put it in the mason jar when it's fresh because like it's glass and you don't want the glass to break.